Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Clean hands and surface so particles don't reintroduce bubbles. Once clean, use tape or dust stickers to remove visible specks around the edges. Then gently lift one corner of the screen protector just enough to create a 1/4-inch access gap. Do not peel it off fully because you'll realign it. Make sure the phone is horizontal. This prevents new dust settling. Use a credit card wrapped in microfiber to keep the lifted edge straight. With the gap open, place a microfiber-wrapped credit card at the bubble and push gently toward the open edge. This moves trapped air out. Make short, even strokes while keeping the card at a shallow angle of about 10 to 15 degrees to avoid creasing. Once the bubble reaches the opening, press the edge down with your finger, smoothing as you go. If the protector won't reseal because adhesive is dry or dust persists, wet the gap with a tiny amount of distilled water or 90% alcohol to reactivate adhesive and slide it back. Finish by smoothing the whole protector from center out to edges using the microfiber-wrapped card. Work each quadrant with firm, decisive strokes so adhesive bonds evenly. Make sure to press down corners last to lock the seal. If tiny specks remain, lift just enough to use dust tape and remove the particle, then reseat that small section right away. If you notice persistent clouding, lifting edges, or loss of adhesion, stop and replace the protector. Continued forcing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.